Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily fast forward in Netflix. So let's say I want to fast forward and watch it in 2x speed, or I want to just fast forward some of the time, so let's say 10 seconds, 1 minute, 20 minutes in the show. What I will do is I will pick a show that I want, so let's say this one. And now in order to fast forward, you will not see it because I have OBS playing, but you can see the time right here. So it is playing normally. If I want to fast forward it, just 10 seconds, I can click right here. And as you can see, by 10 seconds it is moving, and I can move it back 10 seconds or use the keyboard shortcuts, which are these arrows to the right, to make it 10 seconds. So I'll pause it and show you right here another method, which is playback speed. So now I will unpause it, click on playback speed, and here is the normal 1x or 1.25 or 1.5. So now it is playing a half time faster or a half time slower. It's really this simple, guys. So now pause it. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you fast forward in Netflix. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.